Hello and welcome to our training video. I'll show you exactly how to create a digital gift voucher. Download the toolkit in the video description to create the same voucher as me. First, if you are in trial period, switch to at least the silver package to follow my lead. Go to Plans and Prices, select the silver package, Upgrade. Now close the Plans and Prices. Are you ready? Let's go. Go to the dashboard and press Create Voucher. I'm going to select the fifth template. This is your voucher builder. Keep in mind to hover over the question mark if you need more information. Let's start with the general settings of your voucher. First, you give your digital payment voucher a name. This name is only visible for the admin. Next, fill out the issuer, your company name. Another crucial setting is the time zone of your digital voucher. Make sure you set it right, otherwise it affects your voucher statistics in the end. The next feature is the expiration date. It allows merchants to set up a fixed date when the voucher becomes unavailable. The following feature is the flexible expiration date. The flexible expiration date is based on the open date of the voucher. I'm going for 12 months after opening the voucher. I'll quickly show you the Show Expiry Counter feature. If enabled, there's an expiration counter shown on your voucher. It is possible to alter the text above the counter. I'll leave it on for now. It's also possible to alter the Powered By name, website, and the layout. Enter your company name and website. If someone clicks on the Powered By text in the footer of your voucher, he or she will be redirected to your website. Next to General, there's also a tab to enter your terms and conditions and a description. The description button is mainly used to provide more information to the voucher user. Let's move on to the layout section. This is where you customize the look and feel of your digital voucher. Let's choose a style. Select Crenellated. Upload your logo. Always pay close attention to the recommended image sizes. Next, upload a voucher image. It's time to alter the colors of your voucher. If you have downloaded the toolkit, use the hexacodes I'm using during this video. First, alter the voucher main color, then set the color for the voucher header and footer, and choose the Montserrat font type, and adjust the font color with the swiper to black. Adjust the button border color, and button hover color. The hover color is visible when someone presses the button. Finally, let's set up a solid background color. Let's save and move on to the Home Page section. The Home Page is the first page of your voucher. Compose a clear title, a guiding subtitle, and use a tempting call to action as the button text. In this example, I'm using Gift Voucher $100 as a title. Keep in mind that this title is also displayed on the claim page. My subtitle will be Only Pay $90. Notice that I can set the text height for each one of these items and also choose whether it's bold or italic. Proceed will be my button text. And I'll place the button in the top position. Let's click Save and we'll move on to payment settings. Don't forget to compose description text. This description is displayed above the form. All the data is carefully stocked in your voucher statistics. I'm using Enter Your Personal Details. Select which personal data you want to extract. Keep in mind, an email address is always required to make sure your customer receives the digital voucher. Finally, I'll set the value for button text to Continue. Next, we need to arrange the payment settings. First, select the payment method you want to use. I'm using Stripe for this voucher. Compose a guiding description text. Select a gift voucher and fulfill the payment is my description. Next, we're going to set up the purchase options for the user. At the options, you enter the price or product value. At the description, you enter the product or service the voucher represents. You can also choose the maximum quantity to order. Here I'll use a value of 10. The confirmation email receiver option is a convenient way to receive notifications for every voucher purchase. Simply enter your email address and you'll receive an email every time a voucher purchase happens. Let's move on to the After Purchase tab. Enable Allow Customer to Purchase Another Voucher if you want to allow customers to purchase the same voucher multiple times. The Purchase Another Voucher option is shown at the After Purchase page, the Voucher Validation page, and after the validation page. Skip to validation means that the After Purchase page will not appear. This affects the Purchase Another Voucher feature, but also the Save options will be hidden. I'll leave it off for now. Next, compose a title and description for the After Purchase page. I'm using Thank You as a title, and you have successfully purchased your gift voucher. They're sent to your email address as a subtitle. Enable the Redeem button to allow users to redeem the voucher right away. Let's move on to save methods. The first three options are very straightforward. Enable the mobile wallet feature to allow customers to directly save the voucher into their mobile wallet. Upload a custom pass image which is visible in the customer's mobile wallet